At this hearing, when you were there to support your friends, I was asking you about when you were sitting there holding Anna's hand. And you had told us that Brian's mother, Diana, was there at the same time?
That's correct.
And was she sitting with you?
She was sitting, that I recall, at the end of that row near the aisle.
Okay. And you had a conversation with Anna about Diana's observations of you holding her hand that day at her husband's hearing. Right?
That's correct.
And Anna informed you that Diana was upset that you were holding her hand.
That's correct.
Sustained. The answer stricken.
Throughout the time, the 2020 through 2022, you had a chance again to spend a lot of time with Mr. and Mrs. Walsh.
That's correct.
And you talked to Anna a lot about her relationship and her marriage and being a mother.
Yeah.
And during those conversations and your observations, Anna told you that Brian wasn't the jealous type.
That's correct.
And at some point, while Anna was working for you, she confessed that she had a crush on you.
She said that, yeah, maybe. I don't recall specifically those words coming out. But
Would
yeah.
looking at a copy of your interview from January of 2023 help refresh your memory?
Sure.
Your Honor, may I approach?
You may.
Page 53.
Counsel.
Oh, I might. I sent these to you guys, so I don't know what to tell you.
Can I just see your face?
Yeah.
Glad to hear it.
Well, Mr.
Okay. I think I got it. Thank you.
Just going to approach you. Is it fair to say that that's your name on that front page?
Yes.
And then I'm just going to have you look at that first page to yourself just to recognize it's the beginning of your statement.
That's correct. Yeah.
And I'm just going to refer you, and you can just read to yourself and take as much time as you need.
Sure.
And just look up at me when you're done.
For sure. Yeah. From the top, from the top of the page?
Until the bottom, until...
Sure. So we actually started.
Just,
Read
just
to yourself.
Read to yourself and look up when you're done.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. That's it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Just going to come take that back. Does reviewing that portion of your statement refresh your memory as to whether Anna had told you that she had a crush on you?
I object to this line of questioning, Your Honor.
You can answer it. If it refreshes his memory, it does. If it
I
doesn't, it
don't
doesn't.
recall Anna telling me that she had a crush on me.
Okay. When you were working together and Anna was there, you had mentioned that you had other people working with you and for you.
That's correct.
And at some point, you developed a close relationship with another female coworker,
That's correct.
and I'm assuming it became romantic.
Objection.
Sustained.
So you don't have any memory of Ana Walshe telling you that at some point she was a little jealous of that coworker and had a crush on you?
Objection.
Sustained.
She developed feelings for you.
Objection.
Sustained.
Ana Walshe told you that she told her husband that she had a crush
I'll
on
see you
you.
at the side of the bench.
You had mentioned that when Anna stopped working for you, you guys still stayed in touch.
That's correct.
So it wasn't an everyday type of thing, but you would still talk and text.
That's correct.
And she started working in D.C. for Tishman Speyer in February or March of 2022.
Thereabouts, but there was some overlap when she was still taking care of business for me, because
Okay.
that's the kind of human being and employee she was.
And during the time that she was working both jobs, was she living in D.C. or was she still in Boston when she was doing that?
I believe she was coming and going from D.C. at that time.
Okay. And after she left and you would speak, would it be fair that she would also consult you about professional decisions, strategies, what to do?
We would talk about that. We would talk about things, yeah.
Okay. And you would also ask her for her advice?
Sure.
And this is a person that you would consider a confidant?
A
A confidant?
confidant, sure.
Okay.
Sure, absolutely.
And obviously, she was one of yours and you were one of hers.
That's correct. Often I've called her the sister I never had.
Okay.
One of the sisters I never had.
Okay.
Yeah. She was an exceptional human being.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You had told us a little bit about a conversation on the 29th that you had with her.
Yes.
And you had said that being apart and going back and forth was hard on the family. It was hard on her.
That's what I recall.
Okay. And you had told us that in the winter of 2022 that Anna was making about $300,000 at her new job.
With bonus, that's what I was told. I didn't know about it at the time, but it came up in conversation that night
Okay.
on December 31st.
Okay. And you also told us Mr. Walsh was making about 50 or 60 grand a year.
That's what I was told. That's what I remember.
And he also was interested in participating in investing in small businesses.
Correct.